a village, there once lived an elderly farmer and his 4 sons. All of his sons were continuously arguing with one another. The farmer made a lot of efforts to unite them, but they were deaf to his counsel. His concerns for their future were very great. After becoming ill one day, the elderly farmer made the decision to unite his sons by playing a trick with his sons. The next day, he asked his sons to bring a few sticks to him. They carried the sticks. The oldest son was asked to pick up 1 stick and distribute them in each of their sibling hands. He did so, and all were confused having the sticks in their hands. The old father ordered them all to break it. So did all the sons. The sticks broke in an intense way by making sounds crack, crack. Now the father asked the oldest son to tie up the sticks together to break them into pieces. The oldest brother tried hard, but could not break it. And then the father asked to pass the bundle among his sons to break it. Unfortunately, none can break the sticks into pieces. The old farmer smiled and said to his sons, "Dear sons, you all easily broke the sticks when it is in one hand, whereas you all found it difficult to break it in a bundle. Listen, my dear sons, when you all are deviated on your ways, anyone can easily break you up easily. When you all are like the bundle, as united in one, no one can shatter or break you up easily. So, be in unity that is all your strength, so none can intrude you at any cost. Live in brotherhood on one hand, so you all grow in unity in strength." Moral of the story: unity is always strength that makes every person one in anything that does not fail at any circumstance. Even the most difficult obstacles can be overcome by people coming together and working toward a common purpose. When people rely on and support one another, they can accomplish amazing things, just like the 4 sons in the story. Likewise, the old farmer taught his sons every parent should teach their kids the value of unity. And the story is the best example to prove that unity is strength.